Hey guys, welcome back to Journal of Journeys. Today I'm super excited to introduce you to my little cave van, Hita-chan. This is Daihatsu Hijet Cargo, and honestly, it's been the perfect ride for our adventures. K-car are the smallest category of vehicles in Japan. They're super compact with a max 3.4 meters length, 1.48 meters wide, 2 meters height, and an engine size under 660 cc. K-car comes with lower tax and insurance. And it's easy to drive since it's very compact. And inside is very spacey. Enough space for two.
And our legs are straight as well because
We've taken this van all in Hokkaido trip and Kyushu trip, and we've actually been living in the van. Here are the different morning views. Welcome! Ta-da! Inside, we've got a little sofa that turned into a bed when we open it up. We bought this mattress in Nitori, and it's really comfortable.
めっちゃ気持ちいいここ。
ね、めっちゃコーヒーでいいじゃない。
そして気持ちいいこのマットレス。
だよね。
想定中。
During the trip, we used Rakuten Mobile and Tethering, also a huge battery. And of course, I have a karaoke mic. We even brought a little kitchen here, but honestly, we ended up eating so many great local foods and we barely used them.
What the heck?
One of the best parts of van life in Japan is Michinoeki, where you can park and use the clean bathroom 24/7, and most of the Michinoeki has local fresh food. And for showers, no problem. Japan is full of onsen, and I love checking out different onsens along the way. So that's a little peek into our cave van life in Japan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more travel adventures.